Hello, everyone. Can reading books really improve our English communication, or it is just a waste of time? So, in past 20 days, I tried with myself. I am started reading books, and I want to share with you my experience. So, welcome back, guys. Today is my day 20 of my 21 day English speaking challenge, and we are so close to achieve my goal of 21 day 21 day speaking English challenge. And today is my 20 day, and tomorrow is my 21 day. So let's start our video. So I want to share my English reading books experience. So it will give me a boost of my English communication. And in starting, yeah, I face also difficulty uh, to understand each and everything. And every time I go or refer dictionaries and Googles to understand every word's meaning. But it was my biggest mistake. Please, if you are new into reading, and you want also start to reading books in English, so please don't check out every word's meaning on the net. Please please let's keep read, and after that one or two paragraph, you easily understand what is author trying to say. So main motive is not understand every meaning. Main motive is you getting idea what is the main concept. And after one or two paragraph reading, you automatically know what is trying to author say. So reading is also give us huge vocabulary collection. And I also improve my vocabulary with the reading books. And I also get gain I also gain a lot of confidence. And I also know the meaning of English sentences without translating in Hindi. So I also know what is author trying to say in this paragraph. So from day 1 to day 20, I improved a lot in terms of reading. In starting, I started from KG or nurseries, story books or rhyme books. But today I shift into general books, or educational books and motivational books as well. And today I want to show you nowadays which book I am reading. I am reading a secret book, which is a kind of motivational book, and it will help me a lot in my 21 day speaking challenge. It will From this book, after reading this book, I am being consistent in my journey. And it will help me a lot. So I will refer you also, please read this book secret, and it will totally change your life. And I read this book. It will help me a lot. Please read. There is no necessary to read half an hour or 1 hour. If it is 10 minutes, it is okay. But please make a habit of every day to read any book, any kind of book, where your interest, like comics, novels, and educational books and motivational books. It is totally your call. Go and check out what in which genre you are interested. Please pick up their book and start reading. Only 10 minutes, not more than. I started from the 10 minutes, and after that I now notice I am improving a lot. So please try it. That's it. I want to totally say this is my day, second last day. Tomorrow is my last day of my 21 day challenge, but it is not least. I am here with you, and I speak with you. Please support me, and also please like my channel and subscribe as well. And if you are new here, please press the bell icon so that you can notify my every video. Till then, bye bye, see you. We will meet you in next video.